Hi, my name is Tara McCauley and I'm an interior decorator. Welcome to my apartment in Gowanus, Brooklyn. It's a typical one-bedroom apartment in a walk-up tenement building, but I took a lot of time and put a lot of work into making it reflect my personal style. So today, I'll show you how I did that. As soon as you walk into my apartment, the first thing that most people notice is the terrazzo patterned walls. It's not wallpaper, I actually did it by hand. I chose the pattern inspired by a trip to Rome. I started with a primary color scheme of red, yellow, and blue, and then I added touches of pink and green to pick up accents in the bedroom and the living room, which you'll see. Unfortunately, I don't have a coat closet, so I found this coat rack that almost looks like minimalist Japanese sculpture to me. I get to display all my coats on it. Over the coat rack, I hung a blue circular mirror that I actually found from someone on Craigslist. I think it fits perfectly in the space. When I moved in, the kitchen had horrible lighting. I found this amazing coulis shade, which I hung from a pendant kit, and it creates a very nice ambient glow over the dining table. The dining table is a little bit of a Franken table. The base I've had for a very long time. It was from a restaurant that was going out of business, and now that I had the room, I found the circular marble, had it affixed to the base, and I love how it goes with the chrome dining chairs. The layout of my kitchen is completely useless. I'm always running from the stove across the room, carrying a pot of water, it's spilling everywhere, but I'm not worried because the chairs have that natural patina, so I don't have to worry about ruining them. The apartment was listed as a 2-bedroom, but that would only leave me room to entertain in my tiny little kitchen. So I took the front-facing bedroom and turned it into my living room. I painted the walls with 2 different shades of aqua blue. I did sort of a oilcloth glaze, or at least my best attempt at it. I found this gorgeous sofa. It was the find of the century. It's upholstered in a salmon-y pink linen velvet with bullion fringe. And I love how the color coordinates with the aqua blue, and I added a few other orangey pink accents throughout the room. In an effort to introduce even more texture to the living room, I got this great sisal rug, and I even have a woven desk. And of course, no entertaining space is complete without a well-stocked bar cart. The bedroom is in the rear of the apartment, and it gets very little light. Since the bedroom is so small, I put a lot of thought into what color to paint the walls. With the dark blue walls, it feels like being at the bottom of the ocean. It's very cozy to fall asleep in. The headboard was actually vintage, and I reupholstered it in an acid green leather that I found in the garment district with a brass nailhead trim. I also love how the red Chinese lacquer side tables pop against the matte navy blue walls. I found this amazing triptych of Jean Lersat rooster lithographs. So I had them reframed in gold leaf to coordinate with the nail heads on the headboard. I hope this tour has inspired you to bring a little bit more of your personal style into your home. Go bold with unexpected colors, patterns, textures, and lighting. Thanks for stopping by.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?